Are raw vegetables healthier than cooked ones? Some people say cooking destroys nutrients. Others say raw vegetables are always better. So what does real research say? In this video, we will compare raw and cooked vegetables using scientific evidence. We will also clearly tell you which vegetables become more nutritious after cooking, which vegetables may be healthier when eaten raw. So for better understanding, stay with us until the end, because the answer might surprise you. What happens when you cook vegetables? Vegetables contain vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants. When vegetables are heated, two things can happen. Some nutrients decrease. Some nutrients become easier for the body to absorb. According to research, the heat can reduce water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and some B vitamins. These vitamins can break down with high heat or long cooking time. At the same time, cooking breaks down plant cell walls. This can help your body absorb certain nutrients better. So cooking does not simply destroy nutrients. It changes them. Benefits of cooked vegetables. Research shows that cooking can increase the availability of some nutrients. Cooking softens the fiber in vegetables, which makes them easier to chew, gentler on the stomach, and easier to digest. This can be especially helpful for older adults or anyone with a sensitive digestive system. Benefits of raw vegetables. According to research, vitamin C can decrease when vegetables are cooked, especially when boiled. Raw vegetables often retain more vitamin C because they are not exposed to heat. Raw vegetables naturally contain enzymes. However, research suggests that most plant enzymes are broken down during digestion, so their effect inside the body is still debated. Some studies published in trusted medical journals have found that eating raw vegetables may help protect health in some people. However, higher total vegetable intake, whether raw or cooked, is linked to better long-term health outcomes. Let's compare specific vegetables. Broccoli. Raw broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that may help protect your cells and support the body's natural defense systems. Cooking can reduce the enzyme that helps produce sulforaphane, so raw broccoli gives more of this nutrient. Light steaming for a short time may still keep some sulforaphane while making broccoli easier to chew. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a red pigment that acts as a strong antioxidant. Cooking tomatoes actually increases the amount of lycopene your body can absorb. So cooked tomato sauces or soups may provide more lycopene than raw tomatoes, even though some vitamin C is lost during cooking. Carrots. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which the body turns into vitamin A, essential for healthy vision and eye health, strong immune function, healthy skin. Cooking carrots softens their tough cell walls, making it easier for your body to absorb beta-carotene. Spinach. Spinach has two key nutrients. Vitamin C helps the immune system. Beta-carotene supports vision and overall health. If raw spinach gives more vitamin C, but cooked spinach gives more beta-carotene. Why cooking method matters. According to research, cooking method makes a big difference. Boiling may cause water-soluble vitamins to leak into the water. Steaming and microwaving tend to preserve more nutrients. Cooking with small amounts of healthy fat can help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. So it's not just raw versus cooked. It's also how you cook. When scientists look at long-term health outcomes, one finding is consistent. Eating more vegetables, in general, is linked with better health outcomes. The most important factor is regular vegetable intake. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy evidence-based health content, subscribe for more research-focused videos.